Dear students, I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we are going to start lesson number 3, The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. The title of the story, The Little Girl, refers to the main character that we will come across, the little girl named Kezia. The theme of the story is the relationship between the children and their parents, and the writer wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. Earlier, they are not able to understand why the parents are so strict with them, but later on we realize that whatever the parents are doing, it is for the betterment of us. So let us start. Kezia was a little girl. She feared her father. She thought that her father was like a giant. He had big hands and a big neck. His mouth was also very big. She always avoided him. She thought that he was very cruel. So she used to fear of her father. Kezia's father worked in an office. He went to an office in the morning. Before going, he went to the little girl's room. He gave her a casual kiss. The father went to the office in a carriage. She felt very happy when the father had gone. She felt relieved when his father left home. In the evening, the little girl's father came back. He spoke loudly in the house. Kezia feared her father's loud voice. Her mother would ask her to go and take off his shoes. His father's shoes means when she entered his room, he looked at her sternly. Kezia thought that her father was a hard hearted person. One day, Kezia saw her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald. He was playing with his children. They all looked very happy. Means Mr. MacDonald was spending time with his children, but Kezia's father never played with her. Now she thought that there were different kinds of fathers in the world. Her own father was very cruel. Even once, Kezia's grandmother suggested her to prepare a birthday gift for her father, and she thought to gift a pin cushion to her father, and for that she tore her father's important papers to fill the cushion with, and that's why she was beaten badly by her father. After a few days, Kezia's mother became ill. Her grandmother took her to hospital. Kezia was alone in the house with the nurse. She had to sleep alone in her bedroom. She was alone in the house with the cook Alice. So at night she had a horrible dream. She saw that there was a butcher with a knife. She was terrified. She gave a loud cry. Her father came into her room. He lifted her and took her to his own bed. She lay beside her father. Now she was feeling a little bit relieved. He was tired and fell asleep before her. She was lost in thoughts. She thought that he had to work hard every day. He came in the evening. Then he was too tired to play with her. Means the fathers are too tired to spend time with the children. She thought that it was her fault to tear those important papers that she has torn for preparing birthday surprise for her father. She realized that her father was not bad. He had a big and loving heart. So earlier she used to afraid of her father, but later on she realizes that her father was not able to spend time with Kezia because he works the whole day, and whenever he comes back home he is tired and not capable enough to spend time with children, with playing with children. So means whatever the parents are doing, it is for our betterment. If they are going to work, they are earning, that is for also for us, for the children. Okay, so don't feel bad if your parents are not able to spend time with you. Okay, whatever they are doing is for you only. This was the story.